In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget on an irregular income. If your income changes from month to month, budgeting can feel a little stressful at first. But the good news is that it becomes much easier when you build your plan around consistency instead of guesswork. Start by calculating your average monthly income. Look back at the last 6 to 12 months, add up everything you earned, and divide that total by the number of months. This gives you a realistic estimate of what your income usually looks like over time. Next, identify your minimum monthly income. In other words, find the lowest amount you typically earn in a month. This number is important because it gives you a safe baseline. If you build your budget around this lower figure, you'll be better prepared during slower months. Now, list your essential expenses. These are the bills and costs you must cover every month, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, debt payments, and internet or phone bills. The goal here is to know exactly what has to be paid before anything else. After that, separate your needs from your wants. Needs are your essential living expenses. Wants are things like dining out, entertainment, subscriptions, shopping, and other optional spending. This step makes it much easier to adjust when your income goes up or down. Once you've done that, create a bare bones budget. This is your simplest version of a monthly budget, covering only essential expenses based on your minimum monthly income. If you earn more than expected, that extra money can be assigned later. It's also very important to build an emergency fund, save part of your income whenever you can, and work toward having enough to cover 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This gives you breathing room during low income periods. Another smart habit is to pay yourself first. As soon as money comes in, set aside part of it for savings, and if it makes sense for your situation, contribute to retirement or investment accounts. After that, pay your monthly bills. Treat savings like a required expense, not an afterthought. You may also want to use separate bank accounts for bills, daily spending, savings, and taxes if you're self-employed or freelancing. This helps you stay organized and reduces the risk of using money meant for something else. Instead of budgeting only once a month, budget each time you get paid. Every payment should be assigned a job, whether that's covering upcoming bills, adding to savings, or supporting financial goals. During high-earning months, save the extra income. You can build your emergency fund faster, pay down high-interest debt, invest for long-term goals, or set money aside for future slow months. Make sure to track every expense using an app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Then review and adjust your budget monthly by comparing your plan to your actual spending, updating income estimates, and adjusting your savings and spending goals as needed. That's how you create a budget that stays flexible and works in real life.